Hello traders, welcome back to Excel Argo Trading. Yes traders, today's date is 19th January 2025 and time is 7:45. You can see here, okay. Well traders, this is our Excel software and the main board, Excel software main board is a dashboard. Main page is a dashboard. Here you have to you have to do any live trade. You have to just turn on this live trade and put exact today's date and set this parameter properly, then only our Excel will run. Okay, you have to mention all expiry dates, month expiry and weekly expiry. You have to mention everything properly. Okay traders, next we'll go for market watch. This is a market watch. Today I'm just showing you a backtest of options trading. So traders, here you have to set the quantity. You can see here you have to set the quantity. Okay, how many lot size you want to set wanted, you can just set here this quantity of the options and just copy this and paste. Okay traders, main you have to just copy and paste it, because if you see any blank here, you have to it should be filled as a start button there, start. Okay, then only our Excel will start running. Okay, before that I'll just show you our breakout strategy, how it is. Welcome to our breakout strategy. I mean breakout page. This is breakout page. You can see with this is our breakout levels. So this is a buy and this is sell. This is buy target 1, buy target 2, sell target 1 and sell target 2. Yes traders, you can see here this is today's LTP and you can see a MTM here. In futures also there is a good MTM. Yes, so I'm not showing you in futures of Bank Nifty. If you want, so I can show it in later. Just wait and watch of to see features MTM in last. Okay, I'll just show you features in last. Okay, of Bank Nifty. You can see here MTM, it is 155 and 129 of Bank Nifty futures. In any, I'll just show you in index of features. Okay, well traders, today we'll just focus on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty core options only. So because today's market is little bullish, so we'll just go for call options. So we'll open with the Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 buy was at 23,058 and sell was at 22,992. Well traders, I have just marked everything and I'll show you. This is our Nifty 50 page. This is a Nifty 50 chart and you can see this is our buy 22,058 and I hope you can see clearly. Okay, once again I'll just zoom at this. Yes, you can see here Nifty 50 23,058 is a buy here, where a buy is generated. As traders, market opened here, exactly here market opened, little uptrend today. So traders will just focus on here today's market start here and up to here. Okay, it was almost, today market was little bullish only, little not, it was almost bullish. Let me see how much market went up from this to this. Almost 203 points market went up. Today's total or overall market went up almost 203 points. Okay traders, in our breakout strategy the buy and sell level is given. So buy was generated at 23,058 and sell was at 22,992. as always have shown you. You can see here 58 and 992. Wait traders, today even we have did the buy target 1 and that is 130. I'll show you here. You can see here 130. This is our buy target 1 and it is hit it. Even you can see this is a stop loss of our buy. Okay, almost exactly at 10:20 or 10 exactly at 10 o'clock market hit our buy level and market start going up almost one. Just we'll see how many points went up from a buy level. If I show one index is enough, traders, all call option, put option will be the same. Okay, but seeing only in index only, you can just come to know how other options worked here. So traders, almost 123 points went up from our buy level. Almost you can see from 10 o'clock market went up and it hit our target 1 also, but there was a little down movement and here it will be our stop loss. It just tests our stop loss here. You can see here this will be our stop loss. This is our stop loss. Even sell will be our stop loss, and it hit our stop loss, and again market went up. It reached our buy level again, and just see today's moment here. It hit our stop loss, and again market deadly went up. Not deadly, proudly went up. Okay, traders, you can see how our Nifty 50 worked. Okay, well, traders, next we'll focus on Nifty call option 22,850. Okay, I'll just everything is ready here. I just open it. Yes, traders, this is our call option in Nifty 22,850. I'll just let me see what our where our buy was generated and sell with buy target 1. So traders, Nifty buy was generated at in Nifty. This is a call price, strike number 22,850. So traders, buy was generated at 289 and sell was at 244. 244 sell and buy was at 289. Exactly, I have shown in our breakout levels. Well, traders, you can see even we have hit a breakout target 1 also. Yes, you can see here, this is where our market started and ended up to here, and this our target 1 is also hitted. Well, traders, you can see the same thing as in index. So buy target 1 was at 344. Yes, 344 I have mentioned here, 344. So buy target 1 is also hitted. So let me see how much point went up from our market. What was today's high from our buy levels? Almost 195, I think. Sorry, 95, I think. Yes, let me mark it. Yes, traders, almost 95. You can see here 95 points up from our buy level. This is a breakout strategy, how it works. Okay, exactly. Again, your stop loss hit it and market went up. Well, traders, next we'll see one more strike price, and that is 22,800. Yes, traders, 22,800, and this one 22,800 call option. So buy was generated at 326. We'll open this chart. Yes, आज ये चार्ट ओपन कर ली हूँ मैं निफ्टी स्ट्राइक प्राइस 22,800 का. सो हियर सेल इधर सेल जनरेट हुआ है 326 और बाई जनरेट हुआ है एट 274 पे. सो यस गाइस, as I shown here, 236 and 274, and buy target one was at 399. Okay, exactly 274 sell and buy target was at 299. Yes, because target one, buy target one is hit and we booked our profit automatically. Okay, traders, this is how breakout looks like. Almost 97 points went up from our buy level. Well, traders, now we'll focus on Bank Nifty. Coming back to Bank Nifty, the buy was generated at 49,010. I'll just open this Bank Nifty. It's opening as of almost, you can see here, traders, almost 49,010 here. Buy was generated and sell was generated at 48,866. Okay, 48,866. Yes, almost a stop loss hit it from our selling level. Here stop loss hit it and the market went up again. You can see almost at a 10 o'clock, exactly at 10 o'clock, our buy level was generated here. Okay, here at buy level was generated and market went up to 188 points, almost exactly 188 points market went up from our buy level. Yes, traders, you can see here market went up from a buy level, but it didn't hit our target one today. There was a little space in our target and closing time. Okay, that was little sad. Okay, we'll focus this next time. So here you can see this will be our stop loss and buy level and target is not done in our Bank Nifty. Okay, so almost it given good actually. Almost how highly market also went from our buy level, you can see. Okay, Well, traders, this is how our breakout strategy works. And lastly, I said I'll show you features of Bank Nifty. Okay, I'll just show you the features of Bank Nifty. So we'll focus on this features today. So features, Bank Nifty features. I'll just open this. Yes, traders have. I'm opening the Bank Nifty features of 30th December. The January is the expiry date. It's opened, and we'll just mark it. Here the market opened. I'll just zoom it little. Yes, you can see here, this is where our market opened and closed here. Exactly today's graph I'm showing you, and I'll just calculate, I'll just show you today's features working here. Okay. Yes, traders, I'll just show you today's features of Bank Nifty. So here, this was buy. Yes, you can see here, almost done. Our buy was generated at 48,980. Exactly 48,980, and sell was generated at 48,871. I'm just doing in front of you to show you how it line goes. So doing manually one and showing same in the video, it takes long time. Oh, just a minute, it collapsed. This is sell. This is a sell in our Bank Nifty features. Okay. Yes, this is where our buy level generated here in a Bank Nifty, and market went up. Again, this is our sell level. Yes, traders, this is our breakout strategy in Bank Nifty futures. In options, most we focus on options only. Okay, traders, if you have any doubt, you can call us on 8553029884, which is I have put a link in description box. Also, you can visit our website also. It is there, in link is there in our description box. Hope you like this, and if you want to purchase this, you can purchase on number 4,999. There is an offer, so you can purchase this software and run your own algo trade and recover all your losses. And if you bear losses, you can enjoy your trading. Thank you, traders. Have a nice day. La, 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 la.
ਸਾਡੀ ਇੱਕ ਆ ਪਛਾਣ ਬਦਲੋ ਸਰਕਲ ਛੋਟਾ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਐ ਇੱਕ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ 7 ਜ਼ੀਰੋਆਂ ਐਡੇ ਮੋਲੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਜੱਟ ਕੋਲ ਗੱਡੀ ਐ ਦਸਾਂਝਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਖਾਸਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗ ਜੂ ਮਟਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੂਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸੋਚੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ